NUKK stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Nukkleus sitting at 44.10. It's actually going up 10%, which is solid, but is it solid enough in order for me to continue to buy? Let's talk about this. I mean, I have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years. I have like a big good little track record on my YouTube channel, what has worked for me, what has not. I mean, NUKK, look, like the only thing that would have propelled me higher here is a proper 5, even if like 15-minute double break. And we saw the wicks here, like at the start of the day, I was like very hyped up, but this just was the wick. I do not count the wicks. It's just like a fake out. Count this as a fake out. The only thing when this will count is if the price gives me a full candle close above that point, and then and only then I'll actually start to take things higher. Take things in my hands, you know. So yeah, that's how NUKK looks like. This is still gonna see one is gonna give either the high or the low first, so I will keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, then click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.